Hello friends, I hope that you're all doing well and you are actually enjoying your summer break. I want to say thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. We have hit 100 subscribers and I can't thank you guys enough for being here and supporting me. I have so much to share in today's video. We have a full agenda. I woke up this morning and it was a sunny and hot day, so I decided to do some fun activities with my girls. So first one, we are gonna start off by making a watermelon cake, and we are gonna use this giant watermelon and lots of fruits. So this is what we got. It's already looking good. I can't wait to decorate it with my daughter. These pieces of watermelon I'm gonna put in the fridge and we're gonna throw them in smoothie or either make juice during the week. I use this flour cookie cutter to make some flowers that we are gonna put on the watermelon cake. So the topping, we're using grapes, blueberries, kiwi, apples. I cut them with a star cookie cutter, and then I have slices of oranges. This came out so beautiful. I feel like it's too pretty to even cut into it. I feel like this will be a perfect idea for a picnic or a hot day. It will be so refreshing and hydrating with all these fruits. So next I'm gonna start by making lunch. Here I'm making a pappardelle pasta. I'm sorry if I butchered the name. I got this from Target. I'm super excited to make this because we're gonna make it into an Alfredo pasta. It says here to boil the pasta and add a generous amount of salt. I am going to pair this with some tandoori chicken that I made the day before. Lunch was very creamy and flavorful and yummy. So next thing I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be making some DIY candles. They're citrus candles using lemon and oranges. So I bought this candle making kit from Amazon for quite some time. It's perfect for beginners or people who wanting to start a candle making journey. I took out all of the flesh from the lemon and the orange. I love this kit because it's so simple to use. We're actually having so much fun. I love that it came with this melting pot so that you don't have to mess up any of your pot. So I'm adding in the wax to the pot and add it directly to the stove. Then I'm adding some beeswax to it because they burn brighter with a beautiful warm glow. Next, my daughter is adding in the wick to the base of the lemon and the orange. I want to give a shout out to her because she's my little helper. She loves doing this and she had an amazing time. I added some peppermint and lemon oil to the melted wax. So we ended up going outside because we weren't sure if we're gonna have any leakage or any spill. Luckily we didn't have any leakage, but we did have some spills. So as you can see there, we did have some spill, and my daughter came up with this idea to add some flowers. So we added these flowers from our garden. I actually love how everything looks so far. It was a simple process. It's just, it could get messy, and this is what it looks like after we were done. It's so pretty and it smells so good. I love it. To conclude our night here, everyone wanted something sweet to eat, so we decided to have s'mores. But unfortunately, we couldn't do it outside on our fire pit because it was very hot and humid over here. So instead, I did it on our stovetop, which was a success, and the kids enjoyed and had fun. Before we leave, I want to say thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. I appreciate you guys being here and supporting me. If you enjoy the content, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and put your notification bell on so that you don't miss any video. Take care until next time. Bye.